Director of Marathi film Astu, Sumitra Bhave, informed that her film is about what's happening to and around us now. It is a story about a life-changing experience. Cast and crew of Indian Panorama Films of 3 languages interacted with the media at IFFI. Pauli Dam, lead cast of Bengali film Ajna Batash, talked about her film in which she is playing the role of a copywriter in an advertisement firm suffering from loneliness. This film is based on Joy Goswami's novel.
Astu, that is So Be It, is a story of a retired director of an Oriental Research Institute. This person is losing his memory. He's not exactly a patient of Alzheimer's, but yes, he's entering that kind of a sickness. He's suffering from dementia. And it's the story of only one day when, his daughter has come to take him to her place, and he has already lost his wife. He's staying alone, so the daughter has come to take him to her place for a day. And on the way, she goes to purchase something, and he is alone in the car. He happens to see an elephant on the road and just gets out of the car and follows the elephant. So it's a story of a lost old man who is following an elephant, and here is a daughter who is searching for him. That's what it is.
Ajna Batash means like unknown wind. The English title is The Mystic Wind. It revolves around a girl who actually, who works in an advertisement firm as a copywriter. She has a family, she has a boyfriend, she has a colleague, everybody is there. But whatever she wants to convey, maybe to her parents or to her boyfriend or to her colleagues, it remains unheard. Means the words that she wants to say, they cannot hear. It's been blown away by a wind, and that's why it's the mystic wind. In fact, for me it was very challenging, and for me as an actor it was very different, because the woman suffers from loneliness. That's what what happened in today's world. Like we are running for success, we are in a rat race, we have to achieve a lot of things. But when we probably go back home, there will be a lot of people around us, but there will be very less people who really understand what we want to say. And at times it happens, I don't know, it happens with me, I don't know about y'all. I'll end up speaking to the wall, I'll end up speaking to the mirror. And through that you actually speak out your words, maybe to yourself.
Interacting with media in the 44th International Film Festival of India, South African director, writer, journalist Andrew Wasdell appreciated that Indian film industry for producing a wide variety of films. He said that South African film industry is in the growing stage, and collaboration between India and South Africa in cinema could add to a great significance in the art of filmmaking.
Because it was going to happen, and then that was 87, 88 in South Africa. And it's very interesting, and I think it only can really make sense to South Africans, because the film is actually the same. In other words, the script is the same as I wrote it, but the country has changed. So in 87 it was still ruled by white people. It was still apartheid driven, Please turn up your cell phone. Yeah. So it took a long time because making movies is hard, okay, and difficult to get money and stuff. So it almost happened 27 years ago, and then I did other stuff. I moved to Europe. I went into exile again. I fell in love. I got married. I had a kid. Like I did make movies in the Philippines. I did other stuff, and then I became a journalist. I wrote for Tragedy Cinema, I wrote for Sight and Sound, I wrote for The Guardian, the South African version of The Guardian newspaper. And then it was kind of depressing because people would kind of read my articles and they'd say, oh, this is Andrew Worsdale, he's that film critic. And in terms of the movie, what's interesting about it, though, is I think if I'd made it 27 years ago, it would be a very sort of cheeky and maybe facetious film. And I think now what it is, it's quite a mature film, and I think it's quite sad and melancholic. So I'm very glad I made it now, and I'm very proud of the film.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Neetu Chandra started her career from Garam Masala and went on to try her hands in movies like Traffic Signal, Oi Lucky Lucky Oi and 123. She was present to promote her film Block 12, which is selected in Cinema of World section. She had also been present for the fest as a producer of Bhojpuri film Deswa for the last edition. Our field reporter Sachin Surlikar and video journalist Tulsidas Chari spoke to the team of Block 12.
44th इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल इज़ गोइंग ऑन और हमारे साथ अभी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एक एक्ट्रेस है जो एक एक्ट्रेस भी रह चुकी है, प्रोड्यूसर भी है. हमारे साथ है नीतू चंद्रा जी. हाय मैम, हाउ आर यू?
हाय, आई एम गुड, थैंक्स.
मैम, आपकी ब्लॉक 12 ये फिल्म इस साल IFFI के लिए दिखा रही है. इस फिल्म के बारे में कुछ जानना चाहेंगे?
वेल, ब्लॉक 12 ग्रीक इंग्लिश फिल्म है. हम लोगों ने साइप्रस, लारनाका, ऑल ओवर यूरोप शूट किया है इस फिल्म को. ये एक रोम कॉम है और सिनेमा ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में सिलेक्ट हुई है यहाँ पर. आई एम वेरी प्राउड.
A film that is talking about the house and the family and the economical crisis and how the great powers take the decisions.
In Europe right now.
And yes, and how their decisions affect to the normal and poor people. It's a Greek family. They have a lot of problems, and personal and financial. And the Indian character help them to find solutions in their problems. So it's like in the action drama.
स्क्रिप्ट आपके पास कैसे क्या आई और जब आपने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो सबसे पहला रिएक्शन आपका क्या था?
वेल, अनुराग कश्यप ने मुझे रिकमेंड किया था इस फिल्म के लिए एंड ही कॉल्ड मी वंस एंड ही सेड कि दिस इज़ अ वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस प्रोजेक्ट एंड किरियाकोस टोफारिडीज द डायरेक्टर इज वेरी रेनाउंड एंड यू मस्ट डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट.
एज अ एक्टर अब तक का आपका सफ़र कैसा रहा है फिल्म?
बहुत अच्छा रहा क्योंकि मुझे चांस मिला है अलग अलग तरीक़ों की फ़िल्म करने का. गरम मसाला के बाद ट्रैफिक सिग्नल, ओए लक्की लक्की ओए, रन, अपार्टमेंट 1, 2, 3, नो प्रॉब्लम, बहुत सारी फिल्में. और फिर मैंने तमिल फिल्म भी की है, 3 तमिल फिल्म विच डिड वेरी वेल, तेलुगु फिल्म्स ऑल्सो, एंड नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम गेटिंग अ चांस टू डू एन इंटरनेशनल फिल्म. ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस्ड अ फिल्म जस्ट नाउ एंड डूइंग अ प्ले, उमराव जान. वो भी काफ़ी, हाँ, दैट्स अ डेब्यू प्ले आई हैव डन फॉर पृथ्वी फेस्टिवल. सो वी आर ट्रैवलिंग ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड फॉर दैट.
तो गोवा आपको कैसे लगता है?
वेल, गोवा ये तो द होल वर्ल्ड नोज गोवा तो बहुत ही सुंदर है. और हम लोग जब भी बहुत परेशान हो जाते हैं अपने काम से और बहुत एक छुट्टी लेना होता है या ब्रेक लेना होता है तो फ़ोन बंद करके हम गोवा आ जाते हैं. यहाँ पे कोई कुछ बहुत ही चिल आउट लोग हैं. इट इज़ अमेजिंग टू सी पीपल हियर. दे आर फैंटास्टिक, लवली पीपल, वेरी फ्रेंडली. सो आई जस्ट लव गोवन फूड, गोवा, वेरी पीसफुल. आई लव इट.
Goa's Kala Academy and Kala Maharishi Baburao Painter Film Society of Kolhapur will be jointly organizing a short film competition. The competition will be held at Kolhapur from 19 to 26 December. Kala Academy Chairman Vishnu Wagh and President of Kala Maharishi Baburao Painter Film Society informed at a press conference on Tuesday. Have a nice time and goodbye.
ती कला अकादमी आणि कला महर्षी बाबूराव पेंटर फिल्म सोसायटी कोल्हापूर या दोघांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमान आम्ही एक शॉर्ट फिल्म कॉम्पिटिशन हे आयोजित केलं.
ही कॉम्पिटिशन जरी त्यांनी त्यांच्या भाषेमध्ये केले तरी सगळ्यांना जागतिक नियमानुसार म्हणूया आपण की सबटायटल ही इंग्रजी ठेवलेली आहे. कारण लघुपट जरी असला तरी फिक्शन, नॉन फिक्शन आणि डॉक्युमेंटरी असे 3 भाग केलेले आहेत आणि या प्रत्येक विभागामधल्या 3 क्रमांकांना आपण 20,000, 15,000 आणि 10,000 असं पारितोषिक असेल. शिवाय प्रत्येक विभागातल्या काही सिलेक्टेड केलेल्या अशा ज्या शॉर्ट फिल्म्स असतील त्या आपण महोत्सवामध्ये एकूण दाखवणार आहोत की जेणेकरून बाकीच्या लोकांनी नवा आलेला वर्ग काय पद्धतीने विचार करतो. म्हणजे मला सांगायला आश्चर्य वाटतं आणि आनंदही वाटतो की चेन्नईच्या इन्स्टिट्यूटकडून जवळजवळ 12 फिल्म्स आल्या म्हणजे स्टुडंट लेवलच्या. म्हणजे या पहिल्या प्रयत्नात एकदम वेस्ट बेंगॉल किंवा चेन्नईसारख्या ठिकाणाहून फिल्म इन्स्टिट्यूटचे विद्यार्थी यामध्ये भाग घेत आहेत. युवा पिढीमध्ये ज्यांना सिनेमाकडे यायचं आहे आणि ज्याने पहिलं पदार्पण शॉर्ट फिल्मच्या निमित्ताने करायला सुरुवात केली एक अंदाज घेत तेव्हा या निमित्ताने आपण नव्या पिढीला एक मोठं व्यासपीठ निर्माण करून देतो आहे आणि त्याच्यातून एकीकडे चित्रपट रसास्वाद कसा घ्यावा, निर्मिती कशी असावी, चित्रपट पाहावा कसा, अशा अनेक अंगाने या लघुपटामधून नव्या पिढीसमोर बऱ्याच गोष्टी येणार आहेत. महाराष्ट्र, गोवा, कर्नाटक, वेस्ट बेंगॉल, तामिळनाडू या राज्यातनं एंट्रीज आलेल्या आहेत. जवळजवळ 70 ते 80पर्यंतच्या एंट्रीज आत्तापर्यंत आपल्याकडे फिल्म्स आलेल्या आहेत.
कला अकादमीचो हे आपल्यान तुमकां पयलींच सांगिल्लो आसा की कला अकादमी गोंयच्या भायर आपले कार्यक्षेत्र आतां विस्तारपाक सोदता हळूहळू नॅशनल लेवलचेर आणि ते खातीर नॅशनल लेवलार ज्यो कांय एक्टिविटी चलतात तांचे कडूनय बीन आमी जोडून घेवपाचो प्रयत्न करतात. सो कला अकॅडमीज प्रेझेन्स शूड बी फेल्ड ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेर, सगळे कडेन दिसपा जाय ह्या नदरेन.